Cultus Lake Adventure Park. We're playing the Giggle Ridge mini golf course. We're at hole number 6. Mom's beating me by 1 hole. I better pick it up the game. Well, let's take a look at this hole. Gotta go around this pipe, bounce it off this thing, and the hole's over there. Okay, let's leave you guys right here and see what happens, all right? Oh, it's looking good for me. There you go. No, don't hit me. Oh, look at that. All right, if I put this in though, I was in the hole. All right, here we go. Yeah! We're tied now. Yes, we're tied. Not even try it. You can't beat me. Stay tuned for the next hole. Hole number 7. Stay tuned for that one. Look, he's already going out. Just checking it out. I thought I saw a bird go by.